Alright. Wanting to video the remodel of this 2004 Itasca Winnebago Sun Cruiser 34G. This is what it looks like when I bought it. Pretty standard, ugly old lady decor. Did come with some pretty cool, standard units. That's a convection microwave oven. It's got a range that's underneath that cover with all my tools on it. There's a stove. It does have a pretty decent, freezer refrigerator setup. It's dirty. I gotta clean it. This is a big pull-out pantry. So you got a pull-out pantry that you can store all your spices and whatnot in. Comes out further than that, but it needs to be greased. Yeah, some ugly ass mirrors. Tons of cabinets though. Did come with those two recliners. I'm gonna take that desk out and get rid of it. Probably put a little dinette set right there, a little two-seat dinette set. The flooring's getting ripped up. All the paneling that's in here is getting painted. All the flooring is going to be plank flooring. It's got a, decent sized closet on this side. It also does have storage above the bed, storage below the bed. The bed flips up this way and you can store a ton of shit underneath there. That is also a giant not a walk-in, but a giant closet that lights up, and it's all cedar filled. Goes back there pretty far, so I can hang tons of clothes, top and bottom bar. There's a cabinet there for stuff. That is for a washer dryer combo hookup in there. That's a laundry hamper. There is a little desk right here that I'm probably going to get rid of because I don't really need that. It's like more of a makeup changing thing. This thing flips up. It's a little mirror. I'm not into makeup anymore, so I don't really need to do that. Just kidding. Never really wasn't into makeup, so just anyway. That's gonna go because I don't have the need for a 1970s box TV, so I'm gonna put a wall mount TV on this wall. It's pretty sturdy. I can mount one of the new lightweight TVs that Walmart sells for dirt cheap. Getting rid of that gaudy ass freaking, not the cabinet, but just the light setup. There's some storage under the sink. It's got a nice step-in shower. Probably gonna redo that whole thing. I'm gonna make that one of those rounded, the rounded shower doors that slides in and out. Just got to make sure I can do that cost effectively. The loo, the bathroom, the shitters been upgraded. That's a porcelain upgrade instead of the plastic little third grade toilet that's in there. It's got cabinets up above. Pretty cool. Got some magazine holders down there, a toilet paper holder. There's a new fan up in the ceiling there. There's a new fan up in the ceiling here. I'm going to replace all these thin lights. Basically, this is thing. It's not going to get gutted, but it is going to be stripped down. All these brown panels in here are going to be painted a bright white. The walls are going to be gray. All the lower cabinets and the lower valance here, or the lower paneling on the wall there, that's going to all be painted dark, like a dark brown, almost similar to the color of these chairs. I do a light gray longboard plank style floor in here. This is a flush mount unit, so when those slide outs go out, the flooring drops down, so everything will be flush across from the stationary unit as opposed in conjunction with the slide out unit, so there won't be a step up. there'll be a gap, but there'll be a very, very small gap. It's only going to be like maybe a quarter to an eighth of an inch. So that's cool, and I'll do that throughout the bedroom as well. Get rid of all this freaking shag carpet and turn it into an actual livable unit that's not attracting old ladies. So that's going to be my my project for the time being. Probably going to get rid of this old mattress. More than likely going to get rid of all this whatever this gaudy fucking shipmate trim crap is. All this padded decor up here. Just redo everything. Make it more modern. Make it more livable. Make it more up to date. Get rid of all the bronze and brass light fixtures. I mean, that's hideous. That's hold on, I'm messing with my camera here. That's just ugly. Why would you put that in here? 2004. I was alive in 2004. I don't remember ever having shit like that in my house growing up. It's fucking stupid. And the closets are all lined with cedar, so I'm probably just going to leave those like that, because that is a deterrent for bugs. And there's all kinds of hooks and staples and shit that they put in here for stuff. I don't know what the hell's some of these people thought, you know. Hey, let's use this little bitty eyelet thing here to hold down a clothesline or something. Who knows? But pull all this carpet out of here, all this trim, everything that's trimmed is padded, or every one of the windows in here has these old grandma window valances. All that shit's coming out. Get this freaking hideous wallpaper out of here, painting all the walls like a light gray. So all this shit will look like that'll be dark brown. Yeah, it should look good. And then I'm gonna take all the hardware off, sand everything down, all the hinges, everything is gonna be painted black, satin black, Rust-Oleum. These light fixtures are getting out of here. I got 2 LED strip lights on order for that. It's gonna be pretty cool. Like I said, I'm going to redo the shower. All this freaking, you know, 80s porn, gold, bronze, whatever fiasco they thought. And realistically, seriously, that's not a tub. Unless you wanted to curl up in the fetal position and sit in a, 6 inches of water, make some fart bubbles. That ain't gonna happen. So I might just tear this whole shower out of here and do an upgraded shower. I just gotta see what it's gonna take, because once this is out of here, I know it's shaped to match the sunlight and everything, but I'm not really worried about that. That is a minor fix in my mind anyways. I know a lot of people go, I'm not gonna tackle something like that, but this desk is coming out of here. Like I said, that's gonna be a dinette set, but I'm in the process of starting to strip all this stuff off of here and pull all the nails out. The sad thing about this is all that it's a wrapped piece of wood, so I might have to go through here and heat up this to get this laminate off of here, or maybe just cut a new piece of regular wood to go in there and decorate it how I want it, to where it doesn't look like that. I can route out an edge on this thing. Like, this is a formed piece, but it is that press board, and it's got the, here's a perfect example. It's all wrapped. It's just plastic over the top of press board. So I can make new wood ends and whatnot, but this is all, like, I tore this one off. This is all padded, and it's just held down with tack nails. It's ugly, it's outdated, we don't need it, stuff like that. In the garbage. This boat light up here, in the garbage. All the hardware, I'm never gonna find anything that's gonna match these screw patterns, so I'm just gonna pull all this shit off and pull all the hinges, throw them in the sandblaster, scuff them up real quick, stick them out on a piece of cardboard, spray paint them all. But look, every single one of these windows has a grandma treatment on it, and it's like, yeah, I mean, I get it. It was probably okay for Gretchen or Mabel or Ethel, but I'm not up on that. Get rid of all them, all those accordion style mini blinds. Nothing but a dust trap. Those things are covered in dust. You open them up and you gotta wear a mask to open the fucking things up. Get rid of this curtain here because they sell the updated curtains for the front here. That's a little bit nicer curtain. It doesn't accordion like that. It's just a smooth curtain that you pull. There is a TV up in here and a sound bar. I gotta get up in here and find out what's going on because there's a freaking 100 feet of coax cable and whatnot. And it's not going to be the main entertainment center right here because this little guy right here is coming out. I'm probably going to put a little table right there with a TV on it. Just screw it down so it doesn't bounce around when I'm driving down the road. I said there's tons of cabinet space in here. Lots of usable space. It's not going to be something that I'm going to be, you know, I'm not going to go camping a whole lot, but it's in really good shape. I mean, the people that owned it took really good care of it. It's in decent shape. It's got a big block Chevy drivetrain. The seats are in really good shape. Nothing's really torn. Runs really good. It's got a 4,500 watt Onan generator underneath it. It's got the floor mount, or the underbelly basement. I guess they call it a basement unit. AC system, heat pump. I don't know if I'm going to use that or not. I might just, in that corner over there, I might just put one of those plug-in roll-around AC units. Because there's a plug back there. Right there. I got to check to see if the wire will hold that amperage. But I might just get rid of that whole floor-mounted thing. And, because I'm in Arizona, I know we need AC, but this is a small enough place. And having experienced not having AC in a house, I know that those little floor mount units put out quite a bit of cold air. So I think I can get away with using one of those as an AC unit for this place, because this is little under, I think they said in the book it was 278 square feet. So I think I can use one of those, because one of those roll around units is to get up to 500 square feet, and I'm not going to have 500 square feet. Plus this thing's going to be sitting under an awning. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up of what my project is going to be like, what it looks like now. You'll get a good idea of exactly what is going to take place, because I'm going to change the cosmetic outlook of this thing 180 degrees. It's not even going to look like this. You're going to be amazed when you see the final project. But I'll do some videos along the way, and we'll go from there. Cool. Peace out.